Welcome to this tutorial on utilizing Sass at useRule in a Next.js project. Before diving into the code, we need to ensure that Sass is installed. Sass is a preprocessor that lets us use features like variables, nested rules, and mixins in our CSS, making it more powerful and maintainable. First, let's create a Sass file named variables.scss. This will store our style variables, such as primary and secondary colors, allowing for a centralized control over our color scheme. Next, we create another Sass file called mixins.scss. A mixin is a block of reusable code. Here, we define a mixin named flexCenter that applies a flexbox layout to center content both vertically and horizontally. In our component's Sass file, component.scss, we use the @useRule to import our variables and mixins files. The @useRule loads the styles just once per compilation, which helps prevent code duplication, and lets us create local aliases like vars to avoid naming conflicts. Finally, we import the compiled CSS module from our component module SCSS into the Next.js component. This import statement links our styled component with the Sass styles we defined using the @useRule. And now our component is styled with a primary color and centered content, thanks to our variables and mixins.